When I was working on building new stuff on Root, I was talking to several people in the ecosystem, in the crypto ecosystem, and all were like, why are you still building on Solana? That's the thing that everyone asked me, and it was kind of like a no-brainer still back then, because the technology did not change. There's a meme when when the token price falls, the technologies all of a sudden change, right? So that's not happening, and it has only gotten better with time. So but yeah, since now that activity is back again, I think it's time for us to take advantage of it and build new stuff. I am definitely happy about all the token launches that are happening, Gto, Jupiter, and the ones that are coming along, Camino, Meteora. All of that are great, and I think that's why we are going to see a lot of ecosystem tokens being traded. And that's the thing, right? If you have ecosystem tokens, then there is going to be some DeFi activity that is happening. And I think one of the complaints of the last year was not enough ecosystem tokens were there, right?
Yes, 100%.
So that's why I think this year it's probably going to be about, and this year we also saw a lot of meme coin rush, right? So I definitely am bullish on meme coins. I think it's kind of how people used to trade NFTs as kind of this new meta for the cultural kind of trading aspect. I do think meme coins is kind of this new replacement. I saw this on a podcast, where they are saying that Blur, the NFT marketplace on Solana, showed that you don't really want to trade a JPEG, you only want to buy it and sell it for high. It's not probably for the art, and that's why people started trading on Blur. And then you suddenly realize that you don't need NFT in the first place. You can just trade meme coins, and that is more efficient, right? So that's why I think we will probably still see a lot of meme coin rush happening. And as far as DeFi is concerned, I'm definitely bullish about things happening in the order books area. I definitely am happy about things happening in the liquid staking. Finally we have a lot of liquid staking attention there. So yeah, overall very bullish on where Solana is going, and more excited about the applications that are only possible on Solana, which is on-chain order books.
I agree. On-chain order books is probably the main application for Solana as well. Solana's fast and cheap, and that's kind of the holy grail for a long time, since forever, of making an actual on-chain order book. And you've seen previously, in EVM world, they all have to go off-chain, DYDX and whatever, their market matching and whatever else is taking place, it's all off-chain. It's on some random thing. It's some other L2, which is not ETH, it's something else. It's just kind of dumb. Whereas with Solana, it's everything just works. It's all the same buttons, the same wallets, the same everything across the space. So very cool to see.